$350 for 100 Pinterest pins, $185 for just 50 pins, and $25 to create 6. They have over 2 orders in queue, over 392 5-star reviews. So they are actively making money, and you can too. What's up, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money creating Pinterest pins or Instagram posts using a free software tool known as Canva. So if any of you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button if you like to make money online, or if you're interested in making money online, give me a big thumbs up so we could get this video out to more people like me and you that are interested in making a ton of money on the internet, right? So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. I'm gonna show you how you can make money upwards of $350 just creating some simple images, right? And again, you can do this totally free. And what these images look like, let's jump over to a website like Pinterest. Let me click off that, and you can see this. Click Pinterest, home feed, and you can see what Pinterest pins look like, and you can look at how simple this stuff is. Like, it's food, it's positivity words. Let's just click this little image right here, and look how easy this is. It's for this website right here. Let's click their little profile, and you can just scroll. They have over a million monthly views, but look how simple these images are. It's literally just an image with a little bit of text on it, right? So you can create images for companies to do the same thing, right? Like, people pay for this actively, as you just saw at the beginning of this video, because the business owner doesn't want to take time out of their day to do this. So they'd rather pay somebody like you and me to create these for them, right? They'll give you the text, they'll kind of give you the niche, they'll probably send you their website, and you will kind of just model their website, right? It doesn't take much time at all. So you're probably wondering, well, how can I actually make these images, right? So that's where the beauty of this website called Canva comes in, C-A-N-V-A. They have a free version and a paid version, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to talk about the free version because it is all you need, especially when you're just getting started. And if you go to canva.com, it has this tab right here. It says templates. This will also give you other ideas. You don't only have to do Pinterest pins. You could sell Instagram posts. You could sell YouTube channel art. You could do Facebook covers. You can create all different types of things off of this website called Canva for free. You could use this for free. You could create logos, you could create business cards if you are more tech savvy or whatever. But let's just go, for the sake of this video, we're gonna do Pinterest ones. So for a Pinterest one, we would just use the search Canva. We'll type Pinterest, and it says Pinterest pin. They have 2 different sizes. Just click the 1000 by 1500. And then you could click create a blank Pinterest or a Pinterest pin, or you could use any of these templates. Either way, just click create a blank one. It'll show you on the left-hand side that there is the free ones or templates that you could use right here. Some are paid if they have the little pro icon. Some are free, right? But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a free one. So let's say it's completely blank. You could jump over to a website like Pexels, and you could get a free image. Pexels is a royalty-free stock image website, right? So if I just typed in the word food, as you see I did, it'll show you a bunch of food ones. And the reason I'm using this is maybe like if we have a keto page on Pinterest, right? So here, let's go to Pinterest real quick. I'm gonna show you something. I'm going to search for keto, right? If I search for, oh, that's not how you spell keto. If I search for, well, it still popped up. If I search for keto, you'll see a bunch of pages have a bunch of food in the background, right? So companies that own these pages post a lot about food because maybe their blog has to do with like keto diets, keto recipes. Maybe they're selling a recipe book or something, or a diet plan or something, right? So what you would do is that you just go look at these, kind of model some of the ones that are working well, right? If I click this one and I go to their site, I can see if maybe it's performing very, very well, over 10 million monthly views, and I can see what they're doing and I can model it, right? But you see how they use a lot of food images. So let's go to Pexels. We could get a free image. All you literally have to do is click download. So say we want this, we'll just smash that download button and it will download to our computer, right? So after we get our image, go back to Canva and upload your image here. So we'll just, I probably already got uploads in here. We'll just drag and drop one. Well, we'll grab one from Canva real quick, or Pexels. Let's just say we want to download this salad. We'll hit download, we'll open it. and we'll save it to our computer, and then we'll just save it like that. That's fine. And I'll do that. And then we'll come back over here to Canva and we'll upload that image, right? We'll upload media from device, and then I'll just upload whatever it is we just downloaded. I could just do pixels because that's what it was called. I don't know if this is what it was. Yep, there it is. And it's going to upload the image over here. We just click it, we resize it. And there you go, you have your image, and then you could do like maybe an overlay. Like, so say you want to do like a square overlay, and we'll just bring it up like this. And maybe this would be like our text box, right? We could just do something like this. We could change the color right here on the left. Say we want to do like a white, and then we want to do like a gradient overlay. We want to kind of make it transparent. We could do something like that. And then we could click text, and we could ask, and you could add text. So you see how it's super simple this is, right? Top 5 foods for keto diets. Let's just say that was our post. Obviously, that's not our post, but you can see how simple it is to just use this editor. You can use different fonts right here. You could go through it. Super simple. And then you could just download this pin, right? And then if you want to make it, you could add a page, and then you can clone. You could just duplicate all of your stuff. If you want to duplicate it, you could add pages. It's super simple to do. You see that how I just hit the drop down? I could, right here, you could hit duplicate page, duplicate page, duplicate page. So you could create 100 really simple that are almost identical. Obviously you would change the text out, maybe change the colors a little bit, but for the most part, most branding and everything stays the same. So the colors stay the same, they remain the same, right? Maybe do a different backdrop image, but as soon as you have it formatted, you could keep using that same format. As you see on most Pinterest pages, they keep it relatively the same. You see that they have the format. They have 2 images and they have they have their words in the middle. So the format could essentially be pre-created, templated inside of your Canva account. And then you can go get free images, again, from Pexels, Pixabay. You could just go over to Google and type royalty-free images, right? And then what you're gonna wanna do, obviously this is what you do after you have jobs, right? Before you start creating anything, you need to get work, right? So the best place for you to get work is to jump over to a website called Fiverr, 5rr.com, and create an account, right? You could be a freelancer on Fiverr, and that's what Fiverr is. It's a freelance website. You could also do this like on Upwork, right? And then you can create jobs. So let's just take a look. I typed in Pinterest pins, I clicked search, and you can see some of the other people like you and me selling their services right here on Fiverr. This person's charging $50, $5, $25, and this is just the starting price. It obviously goes up, starting at 10. Right here, Fiverr choice, this one starts at $25. So let's just click this one and take a look at what they offer, right? So they will design professional Pinterest pins. This is what their Pinterest pins look like. Super simple to do, right? The startup package of 6 photos is $25, right? You just saw how fast it was to make 6 photos. Standard package is $185. That gives 50 professional pins. And then pro package is $350 for 100 professional pins. And you got to think a lot of these creators on like Pinterest and stuff, these business owners that you're actually selling to, they're posting 3 to 5 times per day, right? So let's just say they post 3 times a day, 7 days a week. That's 21 pins, right? So 100 pins is pretty much going to last them a month, right? So every month for every client you get, let's just say you get 185. If you have 10 clients, you're making about $2,000 a month, hypothetically, right? That's obviously not, oh wait, that's for 50 pins. We just said they're gonna need 100, so 350. So 350 times 10 clients is 3,500. And the chance that you only get 10 clients could be very slim. You can see this person actively has 2 orders in the queue at the time of this video, right? So if you get 1 client per day, and most of these clients will come back because of the nature of the business, they constantly need more, right? So they're not just coming to you one time, which is amazing, right? So the lifetime value of your customer is actually really, really good. And then you can just scroll down here though and see what they do, like what you need and what you expect to get from the client, right? So as the service provider, what I need from you, what you would need from your client is the logo, the titles. You would literally need everything, pictures, maybe the website. That way you could take the pictures off the website, but they give you everything. All you have to do is go into Canva and put it together, piece it together, right? So it's super awesome. And then outside of that, they have like this person offers other services, right? Facebook cover, Facebook post, Facebook ads, Twitter headers, Google Plus covers, all these image covers, they do the same thing. And you just saw inside of Canva, you can do that as well. And they already have the templates available for you. They already have the sizes available for you. So it's a super good way for beginners with no money at all to get started, because you could go list your services on Fiverr, you could list your services on Upwork, and you can start getting customers as soon as today potentially. And another way to get traffic to you and your industry and to whatever you want to promote. So you kind of need to pick a niche, right? Do you want to do Pinterest pins, whatever you want to do? And then you could also go over to like TikTok, right? YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and you could create videos showing how you know how to do this, and then put a link to your Fiverr gig or a link to contact you, whether it be your email or whatever, to get people to reach out to you to do these services for them, right? So you could use social platforms to promote yourself and make the money, right? So that's another way, instead of just waiting for people to come to you. You could definitely list your services on Fiverr, then go over to TikTok and then promote yourself and leave a link to your Fiverr account, right? So there's so many ways for you to do that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And if this video helped you at all, smash that like button for me. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.